Hey guys, I'm so excited that I figured out how to use Google Meets to meet with all our kids. Man, practice makes progress. You know what? Just like Mike Boldt taught us.
I often think of that when I'm working on something. It really is true.
Actually, guys, I was reading I Want to Be Big to Andrea last night. It's a book about how practice makes progress, and he loved the story. It's so funny that all of this would come up today.
Yeah, and actually, yesterday in our Google Meets, Elias was drawing that fun shark that Mike Bolt taught us how to draw. So it's like everything is connected, isn't it? Actually, it's funny you brought this up. Do you remember the project we were thinking of, but like pre-COVID, where we were going to work as global citizens with the Mike Bolt books?
Oh, yeah. We were going to get the students to research some local agencies like the Stollery Children's Hospital or like Ronald McDonald House, or even thinking about some daycares in our communities or some other schools, and that we could donate the books to, the ones that we purchased from the project.
I know that we were planning that as a big surprise for after spring break, and we didn't even get the chance to tell our kids.
Yeah, and we even planned that the kids would do all the research on these amazing agencies, and then after they would pick the agency of their choice, and we would deliver the books as a group of 100 grade threes. I wonder if we can still take the books anywhere.
Well, actually, the Stollery has been in touch with me and they've just opened up their donations for the community. And I have a surprise. They will let us drop off the books that we had purchased, the Mike Bolt books, and on behalf of all the grade 3 students from Michael Acoustic School. So we can do that.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, let's plan a day and time to do that. What do you think, Team Grade 3?
Well, Team Grade 3 is a bunch of problem solvers.
And Team Grade 3 are global citizens who are always making it work.
So, Team Grade 3 is all of you as well, Grade 3s. So stay tuned for some updates about this delivery of your gift to the Stollery Hospital, and really it's to the children who are there. So, continuing the cycle of global citizenship. Well done.